What's up, guys? It's your girl Mariah here. Today we're gonna be in my channel.
Right, so this is Mariah video, you guys. It's vlog style, so that's why we pretty much vlogging it. But
we're gonna do my LOL because guess what? I got for Christmas. Go check that video out when I did the Christmas video.
alright, so these are all the stuff, y'all. She been playing in it, but we're about to do it.
I cannot believe you.
I don't know, but it came with these two doors. And
I think so.
all these different colors.
And the glue.
6 different glitter glue. Basically, this is the glue and activator, maybe. Activator probably right here. And this is probably the glue, maybe. And it already came with this stuff in there. So this is the ball.
What could it be, girl?
So this is the ball.
What's that? Activator? I'm losing from my slide. Let's get on to
We're about to try to do this. So this is what it looks like. I think you gotta take this off.
You put the girl in there.
Because I also have the instructions. And first it says, take the doll. There. You put the doll in there.
And then
Let's get rid of these.
they put the glue. I
Wait a
think.
minute, then you put the glitter in. Put the glitter in the bowl. Whichever one you do.
Now it's time for round number 3. So go ahead and pick the stuff and
That's what it
see how
says,
many
Mommy?
you get.
This is, let me get my little helper right here. Let me get my helper.
What was that about?
What was that?
Okay.
What'd she tell you?
Insert the doll into the holder. You got her in the holder, right? And then
I can put more different glitter, Mommy.
where's the stick? It's a little stick. Okay. So hold on, you gotta turn this down. You gotta turn this around. Don't you gotta use more? You gotta save glitter for the other girl now.
Alright guys, so the girls decided to let
Oh,
mom
look
have
at
a
this
turn.
little
So,
glitter.
ready to pick 3 tiles?
Wait, no, she already have glitter, Mommy. She already have
The
glitter.
next thing is
They all have glitter.
insert the doll into the hole and remove
And one over here.
the cap. Alright, so now you put the doll in it like this. So you get the glue applicator.
Let's see what she got.
You open the glue. I can't
And
see.
hopefully it's something good, guys.
They're gonna lose all the glue because we need.
Show me the glue. You use the glue.
guys.
Hope you guys can see this. But
Yeah, because it's clear glue. That dog.
so now you take one of the brushes.
Bruh.
What is that?
No, which I think this one.
They use the one with the white.
B.
So you take one of the brushes.
Wow. You didn't
Yep,
really
and you hold. I'ma hold it, and you just apply it onto.
All right.
Wherever I
Job is
want.
done.
Yeah, right.
Hold on.
I'm good. Put it in the back.
You got SUV.
So yeah, you apply wherever you want.
Did you rent it or what?
Look, it's new. Look, there's a sticker right over there. It's your car, Madison.
Wherever you want the
Tell Mom
glitter.
that's your new car.
Mom, it's your new car. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Your old car is gone. Your old one's gone. You no longer have your old
Make
car.
sure mute on the TV.
Gotta have room for that baby, huh, Madison?
Okay.
That's all you want to put on the back over here?
No, I'm doing like that. I'm gonna put pink and then pink glitter on it.
Okay, so now you stick her inside. You stick her in like that. You put the top on. You know, put the top on. I don't know. I'm assuming this how you do it, cause this thing will not cooperate. But we put it on there some kind of way, you guys. Okay, we're just gonna do it like this. Direction.
Oh, right here. You got freaked out, Mommy?
No. So yeah, now you turn it. It say place a dumb plug inside of the tab into the opening. So you can put her in.
But you gotta turn it fast. The glitter ball. I think I need more glitter. Come on, Mommy's doing it.
Wait, don't let her.
What's the glue?
Okay, now you can take her out, and whatever glitter that you have left, you can put it back. So that's what we're gonna do.
Okay, I got my handy powder right here. Mommy, it looks like it need more on the side.
Hmm?
On the side, it need more on the side. Yeah, it dripped on her. And we still got more glitter.
So y'all put her back in.
Yeah.
Look at her. She's just trying to see what's going on. Alright, Mariah rolling the ball again.
Because we didn't get all the spots. Bank is going to be the cool part. I know what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to get the powder, Mommy, put them up too. And like the blue one too. And then...
You should put like a pink powder on one and blue powder.
Yeah, that's what I was about to do.
Alright, so you want to take her out?
Yeah, I think she's done.
Alright, so we're going to dust her off. So she's going to dust the excess, the other stuff that's on her hair. Yeah, dust it off.
Or you can just leave it on and be free.
Little bangs. So she got purple bangs.
Actually, glitter bangs. I mean,
Bangs.
bangs. I mean, it's my pre-K.
Do it in her face. The glitter on her face.
Still got some like.
Still come on. Look at her. She chewing up. She want to eat the dough off.
See,
I want to eat her.
Yeah.
See, I don't want to eat her.
Eat her.
Her just nice and
Put
tasty.
this back in there because guess what? I'm gonna need it, guys. I'm gonna need it when I do the skirt. I'm gonna need it when I do the skirt. So that's because I'm gonna do this
Tell them the color you're doing. What color is this?
pink. Because we only need a little bit pink because that's what's only on the pom pom. So that's it.
We're going to put her back on there. Mariah gonna
Spread some glue. One glue.
you gotta turn it so you can make sure you put on every part.
I think I did.
Oh, you just go on. Alright, so we're gonna. Alright, here we go.
The powder's going everywhere.
I don't know if you guys are able to tell.
How about we lose the powder? Because I bet you don't need it. I think it leaves them a little bit more powder. Even on the back.
Alright, guys. So this is what she looking like. Mariah mixing it. I put her shirt on. Her little self. You gonna put glue on her shirt? You gonna put what color on?
All over the place. Cause like she got so much.
Please don't hurt yourself on the face. Is she taking this milk?
She need it. But yeah. Yeah, she took it a bit. Took it a bit. Mommy, I forgot to put her face mask on. Mommy, you put the face mask so it won't get her eye. Just put her.
To put her face on.
I was too excited. So now I won't get her face.
She just had one. Alright, so we're about to put her top on.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You done. We stop at 40.
Alright, so we're about to take her out and see what she looking like.
Some
Let
stuff.
me help. I want to help.
Yeah, you need help. So you need help. I'm about to actually can help. Just look like a girl disco ball.
Alrighty.
Mama. I want to be a disco girl. A disco girl. Hey,
Hey, Alright, you guys, so this is what she look like right now.
She looked pretty.
Mariah says she's the disco girl, so you put shoes on her. What's this? Mariah's gonna finish this up.
Yeah, but the dress looks like it's gonna have like
This
frosting
is
all
just
over
really,
it.
really messy. So
Yeah, but God, give me
aware.
heels them stuff if you like it. I think Corbin liked it because she be look at it. She trying to look at it. She got glitter. She like pop leak. Her dribbles. She got that dribble dress. Look at her hair. It looks so weird. Guys, now we're gonna do the shoes, and then we're gonna do back to the hair because we're gonna have